It's me, jacobcrypobury. I am back. I hope you're doing well, ladies and gents. So we got some sexy news today. This is the sort of stuff that makes me happy. Breaking news in the crypto space right now. Axie passed Google Play Store review. What's next for Axie Infinity? Well, let's have a little look together. We've worked closely with Play Store over the past year, sharing our learnings as a leading Web3 game developer that culminated in Origins passing a completely transparent review process. We believe it to be the first Web3 game to do so. We plan to soft launch Origins in the Malaysian Play Store first. This gives our team the chance to continue testing and improving the game. Why? Because the Malaysian community is perfect mini model for the international community. Number 4, the early version of the app will have limited features. For example, in the current version downloaded from the Play Store, players won't be able to earn tokens in compliance with current policies. Of course, we remain committed to our vision of a player-owned digital nation. So this is so bullish, guys, for the entire, firstly, play-to-earn sector, DeFi in general, and how many other sort of coins will follow in the footsteps of Axie Infinity. So this is absolutely amazing. We can see here on Axie Substack, right here we've got the proper blog post about it, step by step, what is going to happen. And of course, this is extremely bullish for the future of Axie Infinity. If you're new to the channel, guys, do get yourself into my Discord down below. It's the place to be for all pre-sales. It's the place to be to make new crypto friends. And it's definitely the place to be if you want to become a crypto guru in the next few weeks and months and learn as much as you can about crypto in the bear market, preparing yourself for the bull market. So see you there. Join down below. You can find my official Discord channel. And this is just amazing news, guys. So really, really good for the play to earn sector. And you know what else is really, really looking like one of the best possible play to earn choices right now in crypto? I mean, everything's a bit boring. Everything is a little bit boring at the moment. Well, we can see Axie Infinity is climbing up today, 4% up on that particular 24-hour time frame, which does look quite juicy, but it's got a long way to go if it wants to recover, and it needs to repossess its previous all-time high of $160. It could potentially happen. One bearish factor for me, though, is that there's only 37% of the circulating supply in circulation, so this could suggest that we could see Axie Infinity recover its market capital, but it would not necessarily be the same price. So do remember that, guys. It's very, very important to understand that this supply will have, of course, a direct effect on the actual price of the token. Okay, now I'm going to show you some opportunities that I think are super good. Yeah, super good. You ready for this? So they're both pre-sales. Maybe some of you around here already know what they're going to be. But firstly, with this great news about play-to-earn games, metaverse, DeFi, NFTs, you know, one of them is going to be the Robot Era pre-sale, which is already live. You can check this one out down below. So if you're bullish on play-to-earn tokens, certainly this could be one that could potentially do a 5x here or even a 10x. So if you want to join me on a profit and loss journey, you can have a look at that link down below, guys, and you can see you've got some really cool different robots that you play as. Effectively, you play as an NFT or a robot in a robot planet rebuilding world where you've got all these cool different biomes, lands which serve as NFTs too. You can do things like build, you can gather, you can play with others, you can construct, you can mine, and there's just a lot of cool stuff on this particular pre-sale, so check that one out down below. If you like more games, crypto-wise, play to earn battle card game Calvaria is also live as well. Very, very bullish on this one. It's in stage 5 of its pre-sale, raised a whopping $2.5 million, so do have a look at this one too. Pretty simple. It's kind of like Gods Unchained, except a lot better, so have a look at this one down below as well. And I just think this is great news for the entire crypto space. So there you go, folks. Axie Infinity looking really good with this amazing news, and we also have the 2 pre-sales down below, also play to earn coins that you can check out. So yeah, that's it. Jacob Crypobury over and out, guys. Stay safe and have a blessed day. See you soon.